Hey everybody, this is Renee Rutten, and I just wanted to kind of show you around your back office a little bit. I have a lot of people asking questions. I think that they're not really understanding that they have a back office. So first of all, who has a back office? If you are a paid affiliate, you have a back office. If you are a free user, you do not have a back office. Your information will come from the app alone. Okay, so just very quickly, I want to run through this. I don't want to make it too long. I just want to run through this really quickly. This is your home screen. Just click home, let that refresh just so you can see that it is the home screen. Okay, and down here is the first thing I wanted to show you, which is how many hits your affiliate link is getting each day. Now, some of these you'll see are very, very high for me. That is because I have paid for a solo ad. I have a couple of good vendors that I'm getting solo ads from. I'm getting sign-up rates between 30 and 40%, really going really well. The trick is that once you get them signed up, they're just a pre-registered lead. So you have to then work to convert those people. So just keep that in mind. If you want the information on that, reach out. Okay, so then the next thing up here across the menu is the profile, which is just your personal information. Okay, so let's look at contacts. So I click on contacts, and under contacts, I have my leader, the person that I signed up underneath. He needs to put a picture in there. But what I wanted to show you was the tree view. Before we go there, of course, here is your list of affiliates, super affiliates, first tier affiliates, and second tier affiliates, and then my leads. Now the affiliates, all three groups, whether they're super, first, or second tier, you should have their name, their phone number, and their email all. If you click on these, I don't want to click there because that's personal information. But when you click there, you should have all of that information. So you can email the people, you can text the people. Texts typically get opened a lot higher percentage. So I suggest that you use that if you can. Okay, so let's go on to the tree view then. Now I kind of want to go over this tree view a little bit. I'm going to skip down to my daughter just because hers is a little bit easier to kind of view than mine is. Okay, so here she is. Okay, so my daughter is Katie. So Katie is a paid affiliate. So when Katie first joined to become a paid affiliate, she was green, as are, a lot of the people underneath her. But since Katie has 10, at least 10 in green that are directly underneath her, she becomes a super affiliate and her color turns to green. So what does that mean? When you're a paid affiliate, you get a back office, which a free affiliate does not get. But what you also get is you earn on your second tier. So free affiliates earn on their first tier, paid affiliates earn on their first tier and their second tier, and they get the back office. Since Katie has 10 directly underneath her that are paid affiliates that are earning on 2 tiers, then Katie turns blue, becomes a super affiliate, and earns a bonus for what each of these people in green are doing. Whether they're first or second tier, for her, she is earning a bonus. And I will tell you, based on my history of the first 2 months that we have been paid for, which was for October and for November, the bonus has been actually more than the income from the first and second tier. So if you can get yourself to 10 paid affiliates underneath you and get into the bonus situation, your income is just going to be able to really, really explode. Okay. So then very quickly, the next thing I wanted to show you was resources. Under resources, and I'm not going to go through all these because it'll just take forever. But I want you to go in here and go through these. This is the swag shop. You can buy t-shirts, you can buy phone covers, all kinds of stuff like that. There's marketing ideas here, swipe files, media, different marketing stuff, videos, resources. In the resources, there's a bunch of PDF presentations where they give you the actual slides so that you can create your own information that you're sharing with your people, or you can just use it just the way it is. But it is all provided there for you. So be sure and go and check that out. Okay, then over here is your reports. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on the reports, but I just want to show you how you can break down what it shows. Okay, so right now, let's go to historical. And right now it says November. So I'm going to click view just to make it refresh. And this is my November information. And this is all, okay? But I can go here and I can say, okay, who are just the tier 1 people? And how much did I earn on just the tier 1 people? And I can get that information. How much did I earn on the tier 2 people? So the 2-tier people, remember, I didn't get these people in. These people were invited by my tier 1 people. Okay. And so then bonuses. Now I'm a super affiliate, so I got into the bonus situation, but I just want to show you how you can change these to find out whatever kind of individual information you want to do. So if we want to go back to November or October, okay, so then this is the tier 1 information for October. We again can go to all. And then we can also go back to the dashboard, which shows the lifetime earnings and just kind of a summary. So here were my active affiliates on tier 1 and tier 2. Oh, I'm sorry. It is active affiliates. Okay. And then who has installed and who has actually activated the app itself. Okay, so guys, I am here absolutely to help you. My earnings goal has been $7, and it went up this month to $25. It more than tripled. This is real. The income potential for somebody who wants to share the app with others and earn some income is literally unlimited. And really, I want you all to, if you can, change the mindset from that you're trying to sell something and just to the idea that you're giving something away. You're helping people earn up to $25 a month, and that is per phone. So if you have a husband and wife, maybe a couple of teenagers in the house, that can make a significant difference to a family. So I guess I'll just wrap it up here, but I am here to help each and every one of you as much as I possibly can. Please, please reach out if you would like some help. And we'll see you in the next video.